Cork floors. It has been 3 years that we have this cork floor installed in this house. So today I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons of having a cork floor. After 3 years, we have some opinions. We're going to highlight what are the good things and we need to call out what are the not so good things. So stay until the very end so you get the glimpse of what's life with cork floors. Let's start with some of the positives. So after 3 years, I have to say number one benefit of having a cork floor is just the comfort. It's amazing to walk on this floor. It's super comfortable. We walk, as you can see, barefoot in our family, and we absolutely love this floor on summer. In the winter is really comfortable to walk on. The number two is the thermal comfort. Below this floor, we installed a layer. Ask me in the comments if you're interested. I'll search exactly the specs of what this is named. It's like a little, it looks like almost aluminium, but it's not really aluminium, but it's something that isolates all the cold and the heat that might be coming from the floor. And then on top we have the cork floor, and it makes it an amazing combination for comfort and thermal comfort. Number three, I would say, is the fact that so far has been able to withstand our kids. We have two boys, they're pretty intense, they're really physical, and it looks pretty good still in their bedrooms and in the places where we walk a lot on it. So I would say these are the three top ones that we love. Well, there is a fourth one because it was really affordable, this floor. We were able to score this amazing floor for a really awesome price, end of collection in a factory. By the way, thank you so much on the previous video for all your feedback. We ended up choosing the color you suggested, which is this one that is clear because you don't see so much dirt on it. And when people step on it, you don't see the little steps. So that is pretty awesome. But now, not everything is roses. So let's switch into the not so positives. Right, you can see that we've also installed this floor in the kitchen, and we knew it was a risk. Things could go wrong. They did go wrong many times. Due to the fact that this is where our sink is, we had a lot of issues with the plumbing of our sink, especially the sewers, in which, unfortunately, nastiness sewer water is coming up to it. It happened many times in which we arrived here and we had all our floor flooded. And there is consequences. There's so much water that this cork floor can sustain. I would say that we had our kitchen with water flooded at least 7 times. 7 times is a lot, right? And there is, what I would say, some indications of damage. I'm going to show you a little closer here. So you can notice, you've probably noticed that this area is a little darker, even though we use this to protect the floor from little drops of water coming from there. We had a flood coming in here 7 times, and you can see the floor is already giving up. I mean, it's not looking good. This area, it's a little elevated because the water went inside, and on top, even if we used the humidifier, it was not enough to fix it. And we had a little thing, which is a little piece of it actually came out, and surprisingly, I have to give them kudos to this material. It's actually easy to fix it. With super glue, we were able to reattach this piece, and you almost don't see it. But I would say, if you install this in your kitchen, please be aware that you will probably need to replace it. We know we will have to replace this floor eventually. Now, since our kids are small and they're a little bit rough on the floor, we will let it be, but we'll have to replace it. And when we do, we will put a much better material that we love, but it just went up on price like insane. So that will be the material we will install. If you want to know about the material, ask us down in the comments and we'll let you know what is the replacement we will be doing on this floor. I hope you liked your video. If you want to listen more about us talking about materials and the construction renovations we've done in our house, leave us a comment down below. If you got value of this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Until the very next time.